Elon Musk's XAI just released a powerful model, Crok-4 FAST. Let us go to OpenRouter website. On the models page, we can see the Crok-4 FAST model for free. It shows $0 for both input and output tokens. We can go to the model's web page. It has a brief introduction of this model. You may expand it to read a little more details. The model has both reasoning and non-reasoning flavors, and users can switch for their own application. There is other information on this page too. You can see the providers, apps, activity, uptime, and API. If you have not created an OpenRouter account, please do so, and you will need the credential to use the Crok-4 FAST model via OpenRouter. Next, let us go to n8n. We will create a new workflow with an AI agent. After clicking on the button, we will be in a blank workflow page. We click the big plus sign to add an agent node. In the search, we enter AI agent. We select the AI agent icon. For the parameter settings, we are going to use the default, and do not need to make any change. We close the window and go back to the canvas. We can see the AI agent node has been added, and along with it, there is a chat node where the user can input his question. We click the plus sign to add a chat model. In the search, we enter OpenRouter. We click to select the OpenRouter chat model. In the credential box, you can select an OpenRouter account. If this is your first time, you need to select to create new credential. You can use the credential when you create the OpenRouter account. If you need help, you may watch our previous videos. For the model list, we enter Grok in the search. In the list, we select the XAI/Crok-4 FAST free model. After this, we close the window, and go back to the canvas. Now, let us do a test run. In the chat, we enter, "Who are you?" After running the nodes of the workflow, it shows the answer, which says I am Grok, an AI built by XAI. I'm here to help with questions, explanations, or just some witty banter. And you can read more. This is good, which means everything runs without bugs. Next, we ask, who is the US President? After the workflow finishes, we see the answer from Crok-4 FAST. It says, as of my last knowledge update in 2023, the President of the United States is Joe Biden. This is a little frustrating. But it happens to most of the AI models I have tested, because of the out-of-date training data. In order to solve this issue, we can add a Wikipedia Tool Node to help the model. We click the plus sign of the tools. In the search, we enter Wikipedia. We select the icon to add it to the agent. The node does not have any parameters. We can simply close the window and go back to the canvas. In the chat window, we ask the same question again, who is the US President? This time, we still do not see the Wikipedia node turned green. This means the Crok-4 FAST model did not use the information from the Wikipedia Tool Node. At the end, we see the answer, which says, the current President of the United States is Joe Biden, who has held office since January 20, 2021. This is the answer without using the Wikipedia tool. Let us direct the model to use the tool. We click the AI agent node. In the parameters, we go to the options section. In the options list, we click the system message and add the option. We enlarge the window. At the end, we add a simple prompt, which says, please use the Wikipedia tool to help you answer questions. After this, we close the window and go back to the canvas. In the chat window, we enter the same question, who is the US President? This time, we can see the Wikipedia node has turned green. This means the Crok-4 FAST model has used the information from the Wikipedia Tool Node. It replies, Donald Trump is the current President of the United States, serving as the 47th President since January 20, 2025. This is great, which shows that the Crok-4 FAST model can use the Wikipedia tool to answer questions. Of course, you can add many more tools from the tools list. You can pick whatever you want and add them to your agent, and your agent will become very powerful. Next, we will show you that the Crok-4 FAST model can deal with images. Let us go to the OpenRouter webpage. We click on the API tab. We can see the message where the model can handle images. It has the role of user. In the content, we see the type of text and the text we send to the model. In this case, we want to ask the model to tell us what is in the image. In the type of the image URL, we need to send the URL of the image. We are going to use the one shown here. Let us select this part, and make the copy of the entire message. Back to the n8n canvas, we paste the message in the chat box, and press enter to input the message information. After the workflow finishes, we can see the reply from the Crok-4 FAST model. It says, "This image depicts the nature boardwalk at the University of Wisconsin-Madison Arboretum in Madison, Wisconsin. It's a wooden elevated walkway that winds through a restored wetland and prairie ecosystem, surrounded by tall grasses, wildflowers, shrubs, and trees typical of southern Wisconsin's native landscapes. The boardwalk provides an accessible path for visitors to observe wildlife, birds, and plants without disturbing the habitat." The Arboretum is a pioneering site for ecological restoration, established in the 1930s, and this area is part of its efforts to recreate pre-European settlement environments like prairies and savannas near Lake Wingra. Here, we display the image from the Wikipedia. It shows the boardwalk and beautiful views described in the model reply. In the future, you only need to change the URL of the image, and you will have the detail of the image described by the Crok-4 FAST model. I think it is very powerful. Hope this video helps. If you like this video, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. If you have any comments and suggestions, please let us know. Thank you for your support.